Good morning.
Your mother.
Good morning. Michael, say good morning.
Nope.
I know. Good morning.
I'm like you people I've been up for a while.
Whatever. The floor is dirty again because the kids came over. We're gonna go to Publix. And my mom was like, so are you supposed to protect my daughter? Michael was like, no, I grabbed Theo and ran. Literally, he saw me get pushed into the wall and he took Theo to the park. He was no help. And those two are arguing over the car again. Look at them. And then I've been outside fixing the car. They're always playing with that damn speaker outside. It's on low mode. You can hear him from like a mile away. She's so cute. Fix. Yeah, we're gonna get a cookie. There's Ari. What are they doing? Oh, you're eating grapes. Delish. It is hot outside, so I had to change because with the WTF. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna unpack and show you guys some things that I got. So we got these two. They're buy one get one free.
Then I got some Bigfoots. Saw these. It was like 2 for $3, I believe. These always a must because we make quesadillas, tacos, whatever you want. I got this one and the striped ones. Yeah, I came in a second. And this because they're also buy one get one free. Let me find the grapes. Where did I put the grapes? Oh. I don't know where I put the grapes. Hold on. Got some apples, peanut butter. Theo actually likes eating apples with peanut butter. It's disgusting. French toasted. Some of these chicken, pepperoni chicken, and then some baby food.
There's some apples. As you can see, we're all fruity, so this isn't even gonna last a week, low-key. Maybe like, since they're green, they're gonna last a week. So now they're digging a hole. There's the puppy right here. I gotta get it back. I'm pissed, but not pissed because I'm trying to get ready for work, and like, I have to go talk to all these cops outside. Fucking pulled up in a fucking undercover and shit. And I just wanted to eat my pancakes before I got all rock. But it's whatever. Freaking, what do you call it? I had to go to work, but I was like 30 minutes late. I'm depending if I really want to stay 30 minutes just to get my hours in or not. I don't know. I might do it low-key. That or I might change myself on the lottery. Because last time I changed myself on the lottery and I won about 40 bucks. And that's a win for me because right now I don't have $4 in my name, so. And I had to save that until next week. And that's if my phone doesn't fucking explode before I get a fix. Are you sure it's gonna explode? I don't know, man. Because the T-Mobile man was like, oh, your battery is popping out. It's gonna explode on you. It's like, what? Come again? I know. He's a puppy, Michael. Like, are you serious? Or you just, like, really want me to, like, fix my phone now? Ugh. But, yeah. Life's rough. Anyway, my birthday's tomorrow. Well, I'm sad. But you know what? It's actually better than going to work on your birthday and getting fired at 6 a.m. Just looking on it. Everyone's always being so mean to me. What's wrong with these fucking people? God. Oh, why every time I look, she has like a line? I swear, every time I do something, she has a line. Oh, I finished this one. Guys! All the customers are hyping me up, saying I look pretty. Ah! Anyhow. Apart from my hair, I was rushing out the house, but yes. Stop hyping me up. I look pretty. Stop it.